What the hell are y'all eating, bro? Anyways, welcome back to another video. So, if you tuned into my last video, I purchased a new vehicle. I didn't really talk about much of it in the last video because there's just so much going on, and trying to learn how to drive manual, and then we were going all over Rhode Island because that's where I purchased it, and then yeah, there's just a lot going on. And yesterday was, or the day I purchased it, was super duper hot, so therefore there's like some heat exhaustion. But here it is, and today I am going to clean my 2015 Honda Civic Si. So I bought some Armor All wipes to wipe the interior, and then some of this turtle wax upholstery cleaner and protector for the seats, because I have red SI seats, and I'm trying to keep it clean so it won't get stained or anything. But yeah, I have some other stuff, hair gloves stuff, you know. Oh, also the IPA spray, you know, gotta keep the Rona out of the car. But yeah, man, I'm really happy about this purchase. The white is popping, but I'll definitely talk a little bit more about this car in a future video. But for today, we're gonna clean it. Hello everyone, Future Kenny here. So I just wanted to tune in real quick because I wanted to talk a little bit about this IPA spray that I included in the video. I'd actually advised to not use it on the spray, on the plastic trim, sorry, because it might damage the plastic trim, so I would avoid this. I was just thinking of just spraying it in the air, I guess, because, you know, I'm not really worried too much about the car having any germs or anything. I just wanted it to be clean. So, but if you are purchasing a new car, do be careful and stay safe. Wear gloves and a mask at this time. But yeah, let's continue on with this video. But first things first, we should put on some safety PPE. The gloves, mask, gotta keep myself protected. And yeah, I got that car from previous owner. He's a really good guy to me. But yeah, Terry, I'm just trying to keep it clean for myself. And yes, but let's begin. Red seats, beautiful interior. So I've heard that these seats are known for staining, like that one over here, so I'm gonna try to get that out today. But it's a really great condition car, and hopefully we could do a little bit spring cleaning today, so let's get to that. Alright, first things first, you know, gotta kill the Rona, all the bacteria. Get that IPA isopropyl alcohol spray at your local Walgreens CVS. So this one's 91%. It was pretty cheap, like $4 or $5. So I'm just gonna spray everywhere now. I don't think I should put it on the panels because the alcohol might fade the black plastic panels, but I'm just gonna spray it inside so I can kill the Rona. But yeah, just a little bit, light spray, but I'm gonna use other things to clean the interior seats and plastic trims, but I think that should be good for now, since 91% will kill all the 91% of the Rona, and then there's 9% of, I don't know, the other 9% of bacteria. But yeah, there goes that. And I think I'm gonna clean the seats first. So I'm gonna use this turtle wax upholstery. So the thing is, when I went to O'Reilly's to buy this, I looked up into this, and it said it does a pretty good job on these types of seats. And when I asked the clerk when I checked out to see if this is a good product, he said he didn't know. And I looked at his tag and his name tag, and he said assistant manager right there. Like, bro. But I bought it off my own will, so it is what it is. He got a sale, and I got a good product, hopefully. But yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna start from the back seats first, and then I'll work my way up. But pretty simple. There's a little scrub attached to the bottle. Just says to spray and then scrub gently, and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. So let's do that. So there's that stain there. Let's, oh my, looks like freaking silly string. But so a quick little update. Yeah, it's a little bit wet right now from the turtle wax because the cleaner just kind of sinks into the seats, so I have to spray a little bit more, spread it out. I do little circular motions when I scrub, but it looks pretty good so far. I think it's definitely working because my towel is a little bit dirty because I wipe it afterwards. So it's definitely getting the dirt off, but I will continue to do more. So I have this middle seat left. So let's finish up. Quick update. It smells really good in here right now. It's really clean. Just letting it dry for now. As you can see, there's some wet spots here. But yeah, I think it's so far so good. The red is definitely popping out. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but it's drying out right now, so I can't really do much about that. So now I think I'm just gonna move on to the interior pieces and use these Protectant wipes on the plastic trim. Clean, shines, and protects from UV damage, non-greasy, and helps the car look nice and new. So let's try this. Like, wow, these are magical wipes. Just wiped everything and it's like super shiny now. There was like some whitish spots over here earlier, but now it's disappeared. So highly recommended. This definitely does a job, and the seats are popping. I don't know if the camera does justice, but it's definitely looking pretty good. I decided not to just clean this headliner. As you know, I specialize in this sort of how do you say it, modifications, I guess, but I don't want to touch that at the moment. But took out my WeatherTech seats, and I'm gonna do a little bit of vacuuming in and out in the corners, and hopefully it'll look spanking new in a little bit. Yeah, man, I also realized that the turtle wax definitely works. I don't know if you can really see it, but there's a lot of dirt in there. If the camera can focus, yep. But it's hard to see, but there's a lot of dirt in there. Oh, there's the dirt. The darker stuff. But yeah, man, highly recommended to buy these two products. But yeah, hit them up at your local O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and you can purchase them for pretty cheap. I think it's a total of 12 bucks. But yeah, man, pretty good interior cleaning day. Let me know if y'all need a cleaning made. clean everything up in this joint. You know, get the Rona out of there. But this is not the proper vacuum to clean cars, but I'm doing my best with what I have for now. But it does a job. So I'll probably clean it later again. But this will do for now. Alright homies, we just cleaned the WeatherTech mats. Just gonna let that dry. Pick it up later. It's pretty clean right now. I'm hella sweaty from being inside in a coupe for a while, but yeah, just doing some finishing touches. Yeah man, it's a beautiful car that I purchased. Treat myself type of thing, you know, but still got love for the Honda over there. But yeah man, I hope to make more content. Got motivated again through quarantine, but I know there's been a lot going on and in the world, but I hope my videos can motivate you guys or inspire you guys to do something that you're passionate about. So yeah, thank you for tuning in again, and I will see you guys later. Peace.